Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing this super pretty halo eye using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette and the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. I just want to give a quick shout out to and remember, if you're the first person to comment on this video, you will get a shout out in my next video, so don't miss out on that. Also, when you subscribe, you are automatically entered to win my 500 subscriber giveaway. And we're at 495 subscribers, so like, why would you not subscribe? I mean, we're so close to a giveaway, and I mean, like, don't you want to be a part of that giveaway? All you have to do is subscribe and be a citizen of the USA. I mean, seems simple enough. If I were you, I'd go ahead and click that subscribe button and enter to win. I mean, why not? I think you should. It's free. Help me out, help you out. Yeah, I think you should do it. Not try to peer pressure you or anything, but like, do it. Do it or you won't be cool. Yeah. Alright guys. Alright. Starting out the same way as we did yesterday. I'm going to go into wow first. My family is in from Illinois to see Paisley for her birthday. By the way, I hope you guys love the birthday video, which you will have already seen. Her birthday is already over as you guys are seeing this video, because obviously I would have played her birthday video before I played this one. I cannot believe she is 3 years old. Oh my gosh, where has time gone? It just makes me want to like hug her and squeeze her and never let her get older. You know what I mean? Jelly bean? Okay, so now we're gonna go into licorice. She's just my little butt head of a baby. Like, don't get me wrong, she's a butthead. She's an asshole, but she's my asshole. Now she's 3. Well, she's 3 at 12:25. I don't know if the older she gets, the easier it'll be or the harder it'll be, because I'm getting older or she's getting older. Or I'll be used to it. I don't know. So we're going to go into the Juvia's Place palette. We're going to go into that bright purple color. Since the Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker palette, the only purple in it is shimmery. I know the other Jawbreaker palette, the smaller one, has mattes in it, but your girl couldn't afford both. So we got one. And I'm okay with that, but like, that means I have to find purple somewhere else. And you know what I'm saying? You catch my drift? You feel what I'm laying down? You smell it? I have a feeling this is going to be pretty. I already know. I'm sorry, guys. For some reason, these like months where it feels cooler in the mornings and then like dead hot in the middle of the day, we have flies fucking everywhere. Excuse my language. We have flies everywhere, and it, like, no matter what we do, they just seem to stay. And it doesn't help that we have little kids that make messes all over our house. I'm gonna cut my crease. Okay. I'm gonna dip back into the purple. So put it on the, overlap the little edges. Okay. We're going to go into the Jawbreaker palette. We're going to take that orange. Overlap. Okay, we're going to spray a little bit. And then we're going to take Jawbreaker from the Jawbreaker palette. This shade right there. And we're going to put it on the center of the eye. We're going to take this little pencil brush and try and add the purple back on the outermost corners, because for some reason the pigment will not stay down and we want that purple present. I don't know if you can tell, I don't know which shadow is the problem, but nothing will stick on either corner. Like, I'm laying it on pretty heavy and it's just falling off. It's a little odd to me, but you know, yeah, it's not wanting to stay. Let me see if I can't. Yeah, that did. That's so weird. So I'll put a little bit on the outer corner too, because I want that color to be there. I want it to be present. Now I'm just going back over with the orange and Jawbreaker. That is really gorgeous. That is what I was thinking of. That's what I saw in my head. So we're gonna do the other eye, clean up the fallout, and do my face makeup off camera, and I will be right back. Now that we're back, we're going to take the Juvia's Place palette again. We're going to take that pencil brush we were using before. We're going to take that purple and put it on our lower lash line, like that. Happy Friday the 13th. But more importantly, happy birthday to my 3-year-old. I used the Coty Airspun highlighter on my inner corner brow bone, cheeks, nose, all that good stuff. Clearly it is blinding. I'm not sure there's much else to say about it. It's just good. And then we're going to take Licorice. And then we're going to take wow. We're just gonna complete the circle of life. Whatever, you probably didn't think that joke was funny, but I did. This eye is much more the shape that I wanted. But that's okay. You live and let live. I'm not sure why this purple is having so much trouble today, but it's not usually a color I have any trouble out of. Like, Juvia's Place is a really, really great makeup brand, and their shadows are usually so nice that it's like weird that it's being so hard to blend. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just like, huh. But that's okay. Okay, so now that we got that on, I'm going to take the flat packing brush that I used to put the purple down after I put the concealer down because it wasn't laying down. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it on my waterline like that. This isn't the most comfortable feeling in the world, so proceed with caution. It's just your waterline. You could definitely do a regular liner and just whatever. It's not like it's going to be the piece that makes your whole eye look stand out, you know. And you'll be fine without it if you don't do it. Okay, so now we'll try putting these lashes on. I don't really know if they'll stay, but we'll try. Run around, run around. These things were on their last leg like 3 uses ago. And here we are still using them, so I should have retired them already, but they're so pretty. I'm just like, nah. I'll look like trash with them on my eyes. I don't care. Bring me the bacon. You know? Okay. So we're gonna let those sit and dry for a hot minute. We'll try on a lip, but I don't know which one I'm going to wear. I don't know if I should go super nude brown. I feel like that'd be really pretty. But I also don't think this would look bad. I don't think we should do pink. Def not a pink. Maybe not red today. Maybe not red today. Or at least that bright of a red. Let's try this color. I'm definitely not the type to play it safe. But then I'm also like, there's no red, so I'm not sure if it looks right. What do you think? Actually, the red is, this brick red color is really growing on me and I don't want to change it. Like I said, I'm definitely not the person to play it safe. So I think we're going to stick with it because I like it a lot. I'm just not that person. Like, I love nudes. Don't get me wrong, they're gorgeous, but like, I'm also the type of person that's like, ooh, give me a bright red lip, give me a bright purple lip, give me a bright blue lip. Like, do it, honey. I'll wear it. The color combo is definitely giving me Halloween vibes. Especially with this black shirt. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. When you subscribe, you are automatically entered to win my 500 subscriber giveaway. And right now, we are at 495 subscribers. So, I mean, like, you can do what you want, but like, also, why would you not subscribe? I mean, come on. You've already watched this much of the video. Just subscribe. Might as well. It's not going to hurt you anything. It's free. Do it. Also, if you're the first person to comment on this video, you will get a shout out in my next video, so don't miss out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.